morning children. Today we will learn the Narayana live classes Zoom assignment key dated 30th of junior 10th of 10th class. Now you are 10th class, not junior 10th but you are 10th class. Okay children, so Narayana group of schools Andhra Pradesh, Narayana live classes key of dated 30th 10th class. The topic is Indian rivers and water resources. Indian rivers and water resources. So this is nothing but a recapitulation of the total lesson. Based upon the total lesson recapitulation, the assignment is based. So first of all, what are the different sources? River Ganga, river Brahmaputra, like this different rivers are there in our country. And the river Ganga has twin resources. So one is Satopant, which is called as Alaknanda. The other one is Gangotri, which is called as the Bhagirathi. So you have to identify the mismatch. That means Satopant, it is called as Alaknanda. Bhagirathi, it is called as Gangotri. So there was no mismatch. That is both are correct. So what is the answer? There is no mismatch. That is the first answer. And see that that is you know very well that river Ganga will be flowing from Uttarakhand into Uttar Pradesh, flowing from Bihar and entering into Bengal and then joins into Bangladesh, flows into the Bay of Bengal. Like this it is said. So to this river Ganga in the northern plains, especially in the northern plains, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, these regions, from the south some of the rivers will be joining the tributaries like Sun, Betwa, Chambal, all these are joining from this side. Then some of the rivers will be joining from the north. So that means what, from north they are flowing south. So south flowing tributaries of river Ganga, you have to write any 2 or 3 south flowing tributaries of river Ganga. What are those? Kosi, Gandak, Gagra. These are the different south flowing tributaries of river Ganga. What are the south flowing tributaries? Kosi, Gandak, Gagra. These are the different south flowing tributaries of river Ganga. And now first pair information. Based upon the first pair information, you have to fill the second pair information. If you see that that is tanks. Tanks will be the tanks belong to the surface flow. Tanks are on the surface only, no? Then what is that means for surface flow example is tank. Like that for precipitation, one of the example. Very important children. Precipitation, it includes rainfall. Rainfall is the main form of the precipitation. Hence, precipitation form is rainfall. Now, the next part is the Hevre Bazar people, they have practiced 4 bandis. In that, one of the bandi is Charai Bandi. What do you mean by Charai Bandi? Charai Bandi means what? Ban on grazing of the animals. That is the meaning of the Charai Bandi. Charai Bandi means ban on grazing animals. Okay. See, why the capacity of Tungabhadra Dam has been reduced? What is the reason? Because the Tungabhadra Dam is one of the most important dams of the India, and this Tungabhadra Dam capacity has been reduced considerably. Actually, in the beginning they have planned for 30,000 cubic meters, but now you can see that the dam capacity has been reduced. Why? What is the reason? Means faulty agricultural practices were there. At the same time, faulty mining practices was there. Sandur and Kudremukh. Mining practices, deforestation was there. So all the reasons. All the above are the reasons for the reduction in the capacity of the Tungabhadra dam. Tungabhadra dam, right children? And see, you have the inflows and outflows. Inflow, example, inflow of the example, precipitation, surface flow, underground water, like that. Like that, can you tell me one example of outflows? Outflows from our area outflowing. Our rivers, they are flowing outside. But the main form of the outflow, is evapotranspiration. So, evapotranspiration is a main example of outflow of water. Evapotranspiration is the main example for the outflow of the water. Evapotranspiration is a form of outflow of the water resources. Okay, children. Now you have to. The next one is based upon the conservation of the water. Conservation of the water, that is save water, save air. Every drop counts. Every drop of water counts, because there are several thousand people walking in Rajasthan and arid regions to carry a single part of water. So very important is save water, save earth. Don't waste the water. Every water counts. Every water counts, because drops and drops collected together becomes the ocean. You know very well that thing. Okay. And suppose you are living in a house. You have dug a tube well. So because you feel that you are the owner of the groundwater of your house. Is it correct? Are you the owner of the groundwater of your house? Definitely not. The groundwater belongs to the government or the community. The groundwater belongs to who? It belongs to the government or the community. So it is the groundwater. Owner of the groundwater is government or community. That is the owner. Okay. And next one is see here, that is you know very well that in Hivre Bazaar the people, they have practiced so many techniques for the conservation of the water. Percolation tanks were practiced, loose bonded structures were taken up, and afforestation took place. 4 bandis were practiced, and they have also taken the step of the construction of the check dams and CCTs. What do you mean by CCT? Abbreviate CCT. What do you mean by CCT? CCT means continuous contour trenches. Continuous contour trenches. Continuous contour trenches. Because of these continuous contour trenches that are dug around the particular field, what happens? The water will percolate or seep down into that particular contour only. That is not allowed to go away. So that what happens? The water will be conserved. That's all. That is about the contour trenches. That is continuous contour trenches, children. Now let us learn about the small village, that is Perumatti village. What is the problem of the Perumatti village? This Perumatti village, this is in the state of Kerala. They have an agreement with the Coca-Cola company. For that means for a lease. They have given their land. And this Coca-Cola company, they started using the underground water, because Coca-Cola means for making the soft drinks they need more water now. So they are extracting the water from that, and due to that, what happened? It has resulted in the decline of the water table. The water table of this Perumatti village has completely declined, completely dropped down. So by following that the Perumatti village people, they have decided that let us not renew the lease agreement. Let us not accept for the exploitation of the underground water of the Perumatti village. Like that they have decided. When they have decided like that, the Coca-Cola company, they have filed a case in the High Court. A case was filed in the High Court. And in the High Court, that is two judges, they have different opinion. One, they wanted to go that they consider that the opinion of the village is correct, because the water is a community ownership based resource. As the water is the community owned resource, hence the decision taken by the Perumatti village is appreciated. But another one has another opinion, that is based upon the contract. So two different opinions were expressed, and the case has been filed in the Supreme Court. And even in the Supreme Court it is pending. Until now they did not give the decision. So children, very clearly see here what is the Perumatti village example telling us. Perumatti village example is saying that water shall be considered as a community owned resource. If it is utilized or extracted at a higher rate, it will cause the loss of the availability of the water to the coming generations. Hence, the water should be stored properly, the water should be conserved properly, and the water shall be utilized perfectly. This is the decision given out in the Perumatti village case. Right children? Tomorrow we will meet with one more assignment key. Until then children, good day.